Minä olen täällä operaattorina, eli mä olen kokoonpanijana semmoisessa Indigo 500 tuotteessa. Mä oon tykännyt tosi paljon.
Mä kasaan kosteus- ja lämpömittareita. Nyt on vuoden ollut. Ihan hyvin on mennyt ja oon tykännyt kyllä.
They are like supporting the scientific community to work on the climate changes and they are really concerned about what's happening right now. It feels good to work for a company that you share the same kind of values in a way.
I'm a mother. I have a son. He's just 2.5 years old. My first international working career started from Dubai. I went Dubai first from Nepal, and everybody is so helpful because this is new place for me.
I mean, I'm assembling a lot of devices and they all go like in really different countries, so it's quite interesting to see to where those devices are going and to what companies, what are they doing.
No, tää työn kiinnostavuus ja sitten palkitsevuus. Siinä tekee alusta loppuun asti sen tuotteen. Tapahtuu päivän aikana, ja päivän työ on tehty, niin tyytyväinen olo.
No, mulla on mun kaveri ja sisko myös Vaisalassa töissä, niin sitä kautta.
When I've seen the job offer, then I went to see what Vaisala was doing, and I must say I was pretty happy to see this kind of company.
I heard about the Vaisala because my husband also working here. We meet, like every day if we have a same schedule, like we are having coffee together, we are having lunch break together. So we are having family time also, like in a break, during break.